sofa. They watch TV about a man named Chandler Bing who died in a freak hot of an accident, spending time eating hot dogs on a popper and TV show called Tough Girls. I don't wanna pay for anything, clothes and food and drugs for free. If there was 1970, I'd have a job in a factory. I'd have a man that's made of meat. You're on the internet looking at me. I can't understand everything that I say. I just wanna disappear. Oh man, alright. Outside the McDonald's, I'm flexing my muscles till I explode. I hope they see me the drive-thru lane. Yeah, I hope they see me the drive-thru lane. Stand outside the LLB. I'm trying to get some free woman sweaters. You know what I mean? I hope they see me the drive-thru lane. I hope they. I don't wanna pay for anything. Those and food and drugs for free. If it was 1970, I'd have a job in a factory. And I'd have a man that's made of me. Go on the internet, look at me. I can't understand everything that I say. I just want to disappear. Unsubscribe to your mom's OnlyFans. I spend $10 a month to get pictures of them